Hi, have you ever seen hackers doing a lot of cool stuff just by typing? I mean just by typing on a blank screen.
Access granted.
No, this video is not about hacking. If you are watching this video, you might be someone who has heard of Git and GitHub, right? So after completing this video, you will be able to use GitHub through the command line interface. So what's command line interface? Let's see. This is command line interface. So in this video, we are going to learn how to sign up in GitHub, create repository, set up Git, basic commands of Git, and after this video, you will not be a hacker but can do a lot of things just by typing in a blank screen. So let's start. What's Git? Git is a version control system which is used for tracking changes in computer files. So it is generally used for source code management by programmers or software developers. So what's GitHub? GitHub is the website that hosts the Git repositories where you can store the source code of your projects, keep track easily, and also share the source code with other programmers through it. It's great if you already have a GitHub account, but you don't, let's create one. Go to github.com and click on sign up. Here you get the command line login UI and enter your email, create a password, enter a username, type Y, and now solve the puzzle and click on the green button, create account. Now this window asks you for the verification code. Go to your Gmail and see if any code has been sent or not. Just enter the code and you'll be redirected to the next page. Click on just me and student if you are one and continue. Now just scroll down and click on continue. These plugins can be added later too. Now click on the continue for free button and then you are in. Congratulations, you have successfully made your GitHub account. Now click on the icon in the top right corner. Click on your profile. And if you want to make your profile attractive like mine, watch this video in my YouTube channel. Create repository. On your profile, click on repositories. Now click on new, the green button on the right side. Now type your repository name and you can name it anything, but it will be like meaningful to you or maybe to the project. So if you want to add something to the description, add it and click on add a readme file and click on create repository. That's it. You created a repository and it's ready to store your course that you want. Set up Git. So go to any browser and type download Git for Windows or just click on the link in the description. So click on download and install it. For installation, just click on next and install. So that's it. Your Git is set up. Basic commands of Git. Now let's learn some basic commands of Git. Go to the repository you just created and click on code, the green button under HTTPS. You will see the icon to copy the link. So just click on it and the link of your repository is copied. Now go to your computer and create a folder named GitHub so that you can store all of your repositories in a place. Now open the folder and in the empty area, just right click and click on Git Bash here. The first command that we are going to learn is git clone. This command copies all the files of your GitHub repository to your PC. Just type git clone and paste the link you just copied. Now, as soon as the cloning process completes, you will see a folder named the same as your repository. Now let's add some files and folders to this folder. I made some changes, but it is not reflected in my GitHub repository because the changes are not uploaded. Now let's learn how to upload using Git Bash. The three new commands are git add, git commit, and git push. This is a simple process. Let me explain it to you in a simple way. Suppose it's your friend's birthday and you want to send them a gift. For that, you have to pack your gift in a box, right? It is what Git add does. Then wrap it and add a message, happy birthday. And that's what Git commit does. And at last, send it to the post box. And that's what Git push does. Now let's do this. Right click and click on Git bash. Type git add space dot. So what's dot? It means adding all the files that are changed. Instead of this, you can also specify which files to add. Just type git add and the file name with extension git add index.html. So this adds the index.html file only. Now type git commit -m and your message. This is like adding a happy birthday message to the gift. You can write anything for your reference. So, oh, you got some message here, right? So just do it. It says type git config -- global space user.email and your email, and again type git config -- global username and your username. So after this, type git push. You will get a pop-up as sign in into GitHub. Just click on sign in with your browser and click on authorize. After this, type git add, git commit and git push again, and tada! Your changes have been uploaded to GitHub. Just go to your repository and check it. So there are a lot of commands like this: git status, git init and many more. You can always go to Git documentation and check all the commands. The link is in description. And that's it. You can add as many as repositories you want and add files, upload to GitHub and many more. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. I hope this was helpful.
तुम्हारे को जन्नत दिखाती मैं जन्नत